motherfuckers. All right, YouTubes. I'm on my way to a walk-in box call. I got a text on Sunday morning saying their box wasn't working. And I told them, yeah, I already got plans for the day, so I wasn't working on Sunday. They texted me back and said it's kind of hanging in there. We'll give you a jingle Monday if we need you. So they gave me a jingle and said, come and take a look at it. Said it's working, but it's not getting down to 39. So we're gonna go out there and take a look at it. And it's Monday afternoon. It's like 2:35. I just got done working at the day job, so we'll head out there and let's get you guys a look. Still short sleeving it right here at the end of February. It's a gorgeous day today. Tomorrow's supposed to be like 67. But let's see if we get you a little time lapse going and we'll get out there. Right here's the box. We are in a defrost situation. 4 more minutes. Coil's clear. That's good. And we'll go check the outdoor unit. Get ready for when it kicks out of defrost and goes into cooling mode. We'll go scope it out. Defrost, 4 minutes left. 47 in the cooler. Here's the condensing unit. Let's get this out and grab a 5/16. Take a look in here. Yeah, flip it to 5/16. How many more we got in? Not too many screws in this one. One banger. One screw special. Cool. Yep, dead mouse or rat, little rat down there. Different fan blades. Looky there. This one goes this way, that one goes that way. Classic, that's classic. Santa Cruz special. Pressure control, low pressure right here, pretty basic. Oh, it looks like a new run cap. And down the one fan motor. Oh yeah. Oh, there's a rat trap in there. Big old fat dead rat down there. Big old hogger that's dead. stuck on the rat. This one is like king size. Oh, I gotta get the camera off my head for you guys. King size rat in there. Check it out. Dude, that might be the world's record breaker. Look at the size of that turd. It's like cat size. By the whiskers. Get him by the ear, maybe. Leave him out there for his little friends. The big one's in here. Gotta get that one last screw out. Maybe my extension on there. Let's see. Nobody likes a rat. Alright, there he is. Look at that dude was a hogger. Look at that guy. Dude, he's blocking. His little foot got stuck in there. Whew, look at that guy. That was a big one. Whew, I think there's a dead one on this side too. Yep, right in the corner there. Cat-sized rats. Made my own little stubby like that. I was able to get that right down in there. Or a little stub vector action. There we go, that's better. Let's get the one out of this side. Maybe we're gonna have to go stubby twice. Stubby twice. Yep. Breaker loose with the wrench. This one's just as big, and then there's like a baby one with it. Pretty petrified. Sandy! What's up? Over to this side. That was one of my co-workers from the day job. He lives over here. So I was saying hello real quick. He's got that badass Ford diesel. The one with the good engine, not the shitty diesel, but the good one. Man, Gina's got to go into the shop. She's got brake squeak. I think the drums are worn out in the rear. Rear drum brake squeakatitis. Dude, look at the size of those turds, that rat leg. It's like cat-sized dinky. You don't have to reef on these things, just get them in there. You don't have to over tighten them. That's good, just like that. That one's gonna go that way, that one's gonna go that way. All right, let's turn this thing back on and see what happens. Thing's ready charging it. Sure, it's 404. Turn these dudes on, loading up. Go 404. Okay. Degree evaporator. Yep. GoPro going for you guys. Here's the liquid gold. Little purge. A little crick. Little crickety crack. A little at a time. See how we're making out here. Ooh, that's bright. Alright. There we go. That's looking better. I got it to turn off at 37, and we'll check and make sure the outdoor unit pumps down and turns off. This used to be a freezer, and then they just ripped the time clock out and did the thermostat and made it into a refrigerator. Okay, we're at set point, lights off. So we should see if the unit outside pumps down. Let's go out there. Yep, she's pumped down, she's off. There's the dead carcasses. Man, nobody likes a rat. All right, let's make an invoice. I got this one's wrapped up. All right, that one got stuffed by the rats. Big old rats, rat-a-tat-tat. That one used to be a freezer, and they switched it over to be a walk-in cooler. So it still runs low evaporator temperature. So it's still got the low temp condensing unit and the Z Charge TXV. But it's back to working. If you guys like the video, smash the like button. If you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe. And we'll see you on the next videos.